How to find profile picture comments on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile picture comments on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines here in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one here, view profile, and now click edit profile and click edit here and click view profile picture and then click these 3 points here in the top corner and click comments. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.